everyone and welcome back. So today I have a try on haul and I'm so excited. It has been a little bit, I haven't done one this year yet, which is rare for me. I definitely hadn't been on a massive spend lately, but I have definitely spent today. So a bunch of clothes just came in from ASOS this morning and I am going to be trying them on for you guys and showing you through a lot of what I picked up. It's probably one of my favorite hauls in a really long time. So many of the items ended up being stuff that I really like. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Be sure to click the bell as well so you are notified every single time I upload, every single Monday. Sometimes I'm late. Mostly we're on time. I'm doing better than I used to, guys. As always, all of the links will be down in the description box, as well as all the other information that you need to know. And I think that's all. I guess the first thing that I may as well talk about is the top that I am wearing. This is a sweatshirt from Nike, and I love this. What I really love is this kind of like detail. I don't know what it is. It kind of looks like, is chevron the word? I need to Google this. Yes, chevron. I was right. It's kind of that chevron kind of cut almost, and it's contrast black and white. They do this in quite a few other colors as well. I saw blue and red and I really want to pick that one up next, but this black and white one was actually sold out in small and medium, so I picked it up in a large and it is perfect for me. I really love oversized stuff, so this is perfect for me personally, but there weren't sizes in the smaller sizes, so just bear that in mind. They had blue and red, which I really liked. It was very bright, so I thought I'd go for monochrome, be old school Leyla for a moment. But yeah, I just really love this, and what I really love too is the high neck. Got that kind of old school look to it. As you guys know, I vibe with old school stuff, so this is definitely my kind of thing. I haven't picked up any Nike stuff in a while, so I decided to pick this up and I'm loving it. So next we have these glasses from ASOS. I just love these because these have just such a retro feel to them. It doesn't really go with what I'm wearing, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Love having these kind of glasses just to switch between depending on your vibe. If you're just feeling a little bit extra, got you covered. We have a white husky, so there's fur on everything basically in this house. This is one of those original style bags that go across your waist. Every country has a different name for this. The American word, it's a funny word in the UK, so we can't say it, but if you know what this is, then you know what it is. But I think we call it a bum bag in the UK, which is so weird, but I don't know what to call this. Anyway, I'm gonna wear it as a crossbody. And yeah, I picked this up. It's from the brand Eastpak and I just thought it was really cool, so I picked it up. I usually show you guys shoes at the end, but because I just did accessories, I may as well show you guys the shoes I picked up now. So I didn't actually pick these up from ASOS, I picked these up from JD, and you guys, just look at these. These are called the Disruptors in black and gold, and I bought these in a size 4. So tip for you, if you have smaller feet, always buy from the junior section because shoes are like £30 at least less, so it's just, yeah, it's amazing. She got these in a 4 because size 3s are way too small on me in the Disruptors. I have these in white, and when I saw these I was like, oh, these are so cool. I love the contrast of the black and the white, but also the material of the black is this really smooth, I don't know how to describe this material. It's not velvet feeling, but it's not velvet feeling, but I don't know how to describe this. If you see this in store, feel it and you'll know exactly what I mean. But I feel like I'll wear these quite a bit. Plus they give you a really decent amount of height. Like they actually make you taller. I'm 5'4", so I'm not like the shortest ever, but these make me feel really tall, so yay. I also picked up this top, which is from JD as well, and what I really like about this is, of course, that it is red, but I really like the black detailing on the sides with, of course, the originals 3-stripe detail going down it. The sleeves are a little bit longer than an average t-shirt as well, so it's just something a little bit different. This did come up quite tightly fitting on me. I got a UK size 6. I'm not really a 6 on top, so I probably shouldn't have picked up a 6, my bad. If I was to pick up another size in the future, I would have probably picked up an 8 or a 10. And then lastly from JD, I picked up this top from Supply and Demand. So the sun literally just decided to go behind a massive cloud, so terribly sorry about that. The lighting just changed. I think we just got to accept that the lighting on this channel is forever going to be against me. This is actually from the men's section. There's going to be a reoccurring theme in this haul and probably hauls in the future, that men's clothing, it's my new thing. I honestly just think the men's clothing section has so much more of a choice. I do feel like it's unnecessary for me to even say I'm picking this up from the male section, because again, it's like, if I didn't mention that it was from the male section, no one would know, but obviously because I'm recommending where to go to pick these up, I have to say, by the way guys, these are men's clothing, but there's honestly no difference apart from the fit, like the fitting of it. It's almost like a baseball style top. It says Kings on it and then supply and demand, and I just love the red and the black. They're definitely colours that I wear often. I do love red and I love black and white, so I just picked this up as well. Got this in an extra small men's, and this actually fits really nicely. In fact, it's way less oversized than my normal t-shirts that I pick up in women's sizes. Anyway, so next up is from Pretty Little Thing, but of course I picked it up on ASOS. So this is a ribbed zip up top. It's cropped and elasticated at the bottom, but it's black and it's ribbed, and it's actually just like a really nice simple top. A little bit of that kind of sporty feel, because of course it comes up to that kind of polar neck and you can zip it all the way up, which is really nice. And I just think this is really simple and you can wear this with a bunch of different stuff, so I decided to pick this up. I got this in a size small and it is quite oversized, so just bear that in mind, but it worked out really nice for me personally because I like oversized clothing, so it's fine. There are a bunch of things that I feel like you could wear with this because it's so simple. Next, I picked up this cropped top. It's long sleeved. This is actually from the brand Missguided, but it's on ASOS, and I really love this. It's very busy, like there's a lot going on, there's a lot of different colors and patterns, but this is definitely up my street. There's detail on the sleeves, there's details on the front. Just really love the style and just the whole vibe of this. I just think it's so cool, and I really love really busy tops like this sometimes because I feel like you just don't have to do much. You put it on and it just automatically looks like you've made a ton of effort, if that makes sense. Definitely in love with this, plus it's white, and I just feel like white is really easy to style despite how much is going on the front of this. So next up we have this really pretty lace top. This is probably the only girly looking thing in this entire haul, but we're okay with that, that's fine. I definitely don't dress girly whatsoever. I really want to do a video where I try dressing girly for a week. Should I do that? Should I do a video where I try dressing like girly and like dresses and stuff for a whole week? Because that would be really hard. When you just want to feel like a little bit smart, a little bit lacy, and you can just like tuck these into some jeans. Didn't get this in with the intentions to be completely girly, but the lace detailing and everything is very feminine and very pretty. Also next up, I picked up one of the ASOS Basics tops. This one's very simple. This is just a very basic white crop top with a square neck detail. It's very simple, but I just thought I'd pick this up because it's nice to wear underneath things. It's also nice underneath oversized jackets. We love a good crop top, and in white you just can't beat it, to be honest. Next up I have this t-shirt, and this is from the brand Another Reason. The print is just so cool. It really reminds me of like Saved by the Bell, that kind of thing. Just like the shapes and everything. Very like early 90s, I think. I just love this. I picked this up in a size medium just so it could be more oversized as usual. Next up I have a pair of tracksuit bottoms, and these are standard fit from Nike, and these are in this gorgeous royal blue velour, and when I saw this I was like 100% loud. Like, I don't wear a ton of color, but when I want to wear color I feel like a nice colored pair of tracksuits or trousers, so nice. I don't wear color that often, but I do love wearing like navy or blue, red. Those are the kind of colors that I do tend to gravitate towards if I'm gonna wear a block color like this. It has the Nike detail on it, as well as like a white stripe going down the sides, as well as the white drawstrings. Just everything about this is just really cool. So next up we have some pieces from the men's section, one of my favorite places to go. I just feel like they have so much options, and I surprisingly love every single men's item. I didn't have to return anything. My shopping skills in the men's section are A1, and I'm proud of myself, to be honest. So I picked up this sweatshirt, and this is a white sweatshirt with this red detailing on the front. It has the same kind of art style on the back, but way bigger on the back. I thought the art style was really nice and I could really appreciate it. Plus I really love the white and the red together, so I decided to pick this up. I got this in a size small, and this fits just as I thought it would, to be honest. Next up I have this oversized hoodie that isn't supposed to be oversized most likely, but it is for me. Pretty sure this is the Coca-Cola logo and then writing in Korean. I got this in a small, and this is from the brand Bershka. I do buy things from Bershka from the female section all the time, but I've never picked up anything from the male section, and again it's literally just a normal hoodie with the detailing on it, and I just thought it was really cool, so I definitely wanted to pick it up. It doesn't have any drawstrings on the hoodie though, which is a shame because I do like to tie up the drawstrings sometimes sometimes, or just pull it a little bit so that the hood is a little bit like closer to my neck. So you can't do that with this, which is a shame, but it's fine. Lastly, I have a pair of joggers or sweatpants or whatever you want to call them. These are from the brand Fila, but they are from the male section, and this is probably my favorite clothing item that I got from the whole thing. It's navy with white and red on it, and it's just, the colors are perfect. But not only are the colors perfect, but a male medium fits so well on me. They obviously look oversized and like bigger, but that's the kind of style that I was going for. They don't actually fit too long on me. I'm 5'4", so I am definitely not the tallest, but I do have fairly long legs in comparison to my torso, so that might be why they're not like really long on me, but they do scrunch up a fair bit, so it's not like they fit me perfectly like normal joggers. But I was just surprised how well they fit me. I'm pretty sure that I kind of got lucky with these. Such a nice classic old school style, so I'm so happy that I picked those up, and I'm so pleasantly surprised with so many items that I got in this video. Especially from the ones in the men's section, I'm honestly so surprised. A lot of the items are definitely bolder than normal. There's not a lot of basics in this haul, but I don't know, I just really like a lot of the pieces that I picked up. If you guys enjoyed this haul, don't forget all of the links will be down below if you want to purchase any of the things that I bought in this video. Let me know if you want me to do a video of either styling men's clothing or an entire men's clothing haul, because there are some gems out there. I definitely want to do that for you guys. And also let me know if you want to see me trying to dress girly for an entire week. That would be really hard. That would be really hard. Don't forget to subscribe to both of my channels and click the bell for notifications. And here are some videos that I think you guys will really enjoy. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one on Monday, hopefully. Love you. Bye.